Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering off the Deebot and taking it off the charging dock to ensure safety. Once done, flip the robot gently and remove the dustbin or open the rear hatch to reveal the battery cover. Make sure you have a Phillips screwdriver, the correct OEM replacement battery, and a soft cloth nearby to protect contacts while you work. This sets you up to remove the cover and begin the physical replacement without risking damage or electrical shorts. You will next remove the battery cover screws and set them aside where you won't lose them. Once the cover is off, disconnect the battery connector by gripping the plug housing and pulling straight out. Avoid tugging the wires to prevent damage. Lift the old battery out carefully, noting orientation so you can replace it the same way. Before inserting the new unit, inspect, and, if needed, clean the contact pads with a dry cloth to ensure a solid electrical connection. You now seat the replacement battery in the same orientation as the old one and push it into place until it sits flush, then reconnect the plug until you feel it click. Once connected, reattach the cover and tighten screws evenly so nothing rattles, then return the dustbin or hatch. Place the Deebot on its dock and let it charge fully. Make sure the charge LED behaves normally and run a short cleaning test. If it won't power on, try reseating the connector and checking for debris on contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.